I had some extra glue left over, so I did this mold again. I'm going to do something special with this. I'm going to do some drilling on this mold later today, and it's still soft. And it's got some spillage, so I'm going to have to do some sanding at the top there because of that. Try to push through with the details of the birds at the bottom. I gotta get all that off of there. Oof. I filled it up the right amount. I won't have to do any sanding in that regard. It's good and flat on both sides. It's got some bubbles. Pretty happy with it. It's pretty. Thanks for watching.